Alright, well I'm down at the inner harbor. Haven't walked to the water yet. But I'm gonna get down there soon enough. Some very tall drifts. Those cones are 2.5 feet high on usual non-snowy days. Now they're about 5-6 inches. Generally it seems that snow is compacting on itself. The first layers were very wet, and since they were very wet, it makes it very slushy the last 3 inches or so. So it's kind of weird. If it gets cold down to like 15 degrees like they're saying, it'll probably get solid ice and we'll have a 3-inch ice layer to walk on. So we'll see. I'm gonna go down in the water.